everyone. Welcome back to Talk Angel, the podcast where you listen, relax, and slowly start speaking English more naturally.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Liam.
And I'm Angel.
Wherever you're listening from right now, maybe you're in your room, maybe you're commuting, maybe you're folding laundry, we're really glad you're here.
Good morning, Liam.
Good morning, Angel. You look very lively today.
Do I? That's interesting, because I almost didn't wake up.
Oh no!
My alarm rang, I turned it off, and then I had 5 more minutes.
5 dangerous minutes.
Very dangerous minutes.
I actually woke up early today.
Really?
Yes, I made breakfast. Eggs, toast, tea.
Wow! How many cups of tea?
Just one.
Only 1. That's growth.
I'm trying to reduce how much caffeine I drink.
That's responsible. What about you? Did you have breakfast? I had toast and maybe too much peanut butter.
There's no such thing as too much peanut butter.
There is, when it sticks to the roof of your mouth for 5 minutes.
Fair point.
The traffic this morning, though.
Oh no.
Too many cars.
And too much noise?
Exactly.
I walked here today.
That's peaceful.
Very peaceful. Fresh air, not too many people on the street.
That sounds calm.
It helped me think about today's episode.
Which is actually perfect, because today's topic is small but powerful.
Very powerful.
Okay, should we start?
Yes.
Today's episode is one of those small topics that actually makes a huge difference in your English.
We're talking about much and many,
2 tiny words.
but somehow very confusing.
If you've ever said something like, I don't have many money, or how much people are coming, don't worry.
You're not alone. We've heard it many times.
And today we're going to make this simple, clear, comfortable.
No grammar stress, no school feeling.
Just conversation.
Yes.
Okay, Liam, let's start with knowing their differences.
All right.
What is the real difference between much and many?
It's all about one thing.
Countable or uncountable?
Exactly.
So let's slow that down.
Yes.
Countable nouns are things you can count. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples.
1 friend, 2 friends.
1 message, 5 messages.
Those are countable.
So we use
Many.
good. Now, uncountable nouns.
Things you can't count one by one.
Like water.
You don't say 1 water, 2 waters.
Unless you're ordering bottles in a restaurant.
True, but normally water is uncountable.
Money.
Information.
Advice.
Time.
For these, we use
Much.
let's make this real.
Shopping example?
Of course.
Okay, you're at the supermarket.
Dangerous place.
Very dangerous for your wallet.
Okay, if I say, how many apples do we need?
Perfect. Apples are countable.
But if I say, how many milk do we need?
That sounds wrong.
Yes, because milk is uncountable.
So it should be
How much milk do we need?
exactly.
Questions are where this becomes really important.
Yes, especially daily life questions.
Let's try some.
Okay,
How many people are coming to the party?
correct. People, countable.
How much money do you have?
Money, uncountable.
How many emails did you get today?
Emails, countable.
How much time do we have?
Time, uncountable.
See how clean that is?
Very clean.
Let's role play.
All right.
We're planning a small birthday dinner.
Okay.
How many guests are coming?
About 12.
Great. How much food should we buy?
A lot, because people eat a lot at parties.
That is true.
How many pizzas should we order?
Maybe 5.
How much juice do we need?
At least 4 bottles.
Notice something?
Yes, guests, countable, pizzas, countable.
Food, uncountable. Juice, uncountable.
You're already understanding this.
Yes.
Now, here's something interesting.
Tell us.
In modern English, we don't use much a lot in positive sentences.
Yes, that's important.
We usually use much in questions and negatives.
For example, I don't have much time.
Natural.
I don't have much money.
Very natural.
But if I say I have much money,
It sounds strange.
very formal or old.
Instead, we say, I have a lot of money.
Exactly.
Now, many is different.
Yes,
We can say, I have many friends.
that's okay.
But in daily conversation, we usually say,
I have a lot of friends.
right.
So many is correct, but sometimes sounds slightly formal.
Especially in speaking.
Yes,
Let's correct some common mistakes.
gently.
Very gently.
Okay.
I don't have many money.
No.
Money is uncountable.
So,
Good.
how much people are here?
Nope.
People are countable.
So, how many people are here?
Perfect.
Now let's level up.
Oh yes.
Too much.
Too many.
Same rule.
Countable versus uncountable.
Too much sugar.
Sugar, uncountable.
Too many cookies.
Cookies, countable.
Too much stress.
Too many problems.
Too much work.
Too many emails.
Story of my life.
Actually, today wasn't too bad for me.
Oh,
There weren't too many emails this morning.
that's rare.
Very rare, and I didn't have too much stress.
Nice.
How about you?
I had a lot of notifications before 9 a.m.
That's exhausting.
But recording this episode is the calmest part of my day.
Same. This is my favorite part.
It feels peaceful in here.
Yes, not too much noise.
Not too many distractions.
Just microphones.
And grammar.
The best combination.
Let's act this out.
Okay.
How was your day?
Too many meetings.
Oh no.
And too much coffee.
That explains everything.
And too many emails.
Did you have too much stress?
Definitely too much stress.
Now this one is emotional.
Very emotional.
So much love.
So many memories.
So much happiness.
So many beautiful moments.
Notice how this sounds softer?
Yes, it feels warm.
I have so much respect for you.
I've made so many mistakes.
Mistakes, countable.
Respect, uncountable.
Let's talk texting.
Oh no.
If someone says, you don't text me much.
That's about frequency.
Yes, because much can also describe frequency.
I don't see you much.
Very natural.
But you shouldn't say, I don't see you many.
Never. Think about your day today.
How many conversations did you have?
How much coffee did you drink?
How many messages did you send?
How much time did you spend on your phone?
See, you're using it already.
If you're ever unsure,
Use a lot of.
a lot of people,
A lot of money.
a lot of time,
A lot of emails.
works for both.
It's your safe friend.
All right, let's recap clearly.
Many, countable nouns.
Much, uncountable nouns.
Questions and negatives, we often use much.
Too much, too many, same rule.
So much, so many, same rule.
In positive sentences, we often say a lot of.
That's it.
How do you feel right now?
I feel like we removed a little fear.
Yes,
This topic used to feel confusing.
but now it feels organized,
Simple.
logical.
Clear.
And that's the beautiful thing about English.
When you understand the pattern,
It becomes peaceful.
true. After this, what are you doing?
I'm thinking of getting lunch.
How much food are we talking about?
Not too much. I learned my lesson.
And how many desserts?
That depends on how stressful the week has been.
Fair.
I might also take a short walk, clear my head.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I have a few more tasks to finish, not too many, thankfully.
Good.
And then I'm going home to rest, maybe watch something. Not too much screen time, though.
Balance.
Exactly.
However your day is going, we hope it's not too stressful.
And we hope you don't have too many problems waiting for you.
And if you do,
Handle them one by one.
calmly.
And with confidence.
If today helped you, imagine how much your English can grow.
And how many conversations you'll have confidently.
We're really proud of you.
Yes, you're improving step by step.
And you don't need to rush.
Just keep listening.
Keep noticing.
Keep practicing naturally.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We appreciate you so much.
And we'll talk to you in the next episode of Talk Angel.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.